You gotta do the get out the car scenes. Those are the best ones. You know, when you hop out like this. Yeah. Got my dog with me. Jeff, we here. Little dark skin. My boy Mitch. We about to get on this little tourney. Ain't nobody here right now. It's just be here at 6. I guess we early for once in our lives. About to get the boat set up and stuff like that. It's hella dark. Feel good out here today though. Ooh-wee. Yes, sir. Here. Jose Crocs. How you say your Instagram name? How you say your Instagram?
Jose CRX.
Jose CRX. I said Crocs, like St. Croix. My fault, bro. We got a meal over here. It's good, yeah. You got a YouTube channel as well. I'm gonna put that on there. What we gonna do today, y'all? What's gonna happen?
Put a bag together, baby. Put a bag together. That's only goal.
Hey, you said we gonna get that bag today. It's a little chilly. You know what I'm saying? We thought this was the John Boat gang, but we got some biggins over here today. They're gonna be, we're gonna have to launch first, bro. They got 240s and shit on the back of there.
You don't let us leave first. You tell go ahead.
They're gonna be flying past us. Hey, them waves don't come you middle like that.
You might want to let them go and get out of the way.
Yeah. You straight though, you got a 50. You gonna be scooped.
Yeah, you can be up there.
You might not be up. Yeah, but you gonna be up. Yeah. You good, man. What you got on the back of yours?
Nah. What the decal say?
Okay, yeah.
Nah.
Yeah, that's hell yeah, hey. It's almost touchdown time, y'all. We about to start here in a little bit. Sun come up at like 7:30, I think. So that should be pretty dope. Today I'm rocking with Mitch. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna try to get it done, man. We got the new fish finders on the boat. 2 Lorances, TIs. That's mine over there, right there. And my boy Jeff's joint.
But I thought about, because I told them.
So we're gonna get on it, man. We're gonna see what happens, man. I'm gonna see y'all on the water, man. Yes, sir. Got him. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can we get 12 inches on the board? Can we get 12? He might. I know he look a little short, huh?
A little short.
Good, boy. Where the you got the pliers on you? In your back? Mm-hmm. There we go. That's good. First blood. He might.
Look at that water.
What? Cut it on. Hold on. Let me get this out and then you can cut the blivet pump on. Ooh. So we
on
need
the jig, baby.
all we need is one.
We gotta hurry up and get me out. They over there in that corner. I saw them moving.
I gotta find out where you hooked this.
That. You got a pole that's ready to jump back in the water.
Yeah, let me know. Cut the. We can't do all. Yeah, go ahead. Just do what you're doing. Where you caught that one at?
Right along the building.
As soon as you get them out, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna put them on a scale.
There we go.
Let me see. Can we get 12? He might be a little short. Uh-oh. 13! Let's go! All right, so now we gotta put water in here. Let me see that net. Let's do this first. Let's do a couple things.
Saw my line running.
Let's put them in the net. Put them like that real quick. We catching them though. You missed 2. Get deep up in these docks. Got one. Oh, yeah. Is it 12? Fuck, it's probably not 12, huh?
Probably
Damn
is.
it. You think so?
Yeah.
Is it recording that? Yes, sir. We getting there, man. That's 2 fish in a row.
That's probably just at it.
Huh?
That's probably just at 12.
Let's see. Oh, shit. Little ones be fighting, boy. He little. Oh, he just short. Damn, let me go. One more time.
You gotta do that one. But it looks right up on it.
Just short. Appreciate it, bro. All right.
Right here though.
They over here, yeah, that's 2.
On the shaky head.
On the shaky head. On the shaky. Another 11.5, man. Sucking right now. We can't get one. They will let us 12 inches? Hell yeah. My boy needs some milk, boy. Some proteins, bro. Man, I've been slaying them out here. But I can't get one to.
So you gonna keep him?
He gonna be an ounce. No. Another 11. I'm straight A. Jordan 11s all day. Damn.
That's 4 for you right now.
No, but shit, I'd rather have 1 keeper than 4 fish, honestly.
Yeah.
You know? Let me write this down in my notes. Four fish, 11.5 inches. Ready? Yep. Should be able to go. Think I can get up under there? That's a nice house.
It's an understatement. It's an amazing house, though. No.
My fault. You have one?
I thought, yeah. Big.
You got him. Bring him here. Bring him here. Flip him, flip him.
Yes, sir.
You better cut it out. You better cut it out. He got to be 12.
Okay, let's get it.
12 inches. They eating that goddamn jig, boy. Hook this on like that. Back in there. Let's go.
Real quick.
Oh, he 12. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He's almost 13.
35. Put him in there. I got 4 pounds.
Hey, 3 fish, 4 pounds. Well, I might have to just throw in the jig and stop playing, huh? They tapping that jig too. Yo, so we out here in Lake Anna, baby. It's the first tournament ever on my boat. Got my man Mitch with me. I haven't been able to record a lot on GoPro because I've been so focused trying to catch fish, you know what I'm saying? So we actually have a limit right now. We got about 1 hour, 30 minutes left. Yeah, so we can get some calls right here. Hope we get some biggest, man. 1, 3, a couple threes, man. We'll probably make, you know, maybe top 5 right now. Probably 20 boats. We probably maybe 15, maybe 10 if we pushing it if nobody else caught anything. So yeah, definitely been a good one. So I'm gonna try to plug this charger into the GoPro, get the rest of the footage I can for y'all. Y'all stay tuned, man. It's Pro Her0. Easy. Like I'm on my Mitchell. We about to do our thing. First turn, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Juice time. Oh, you still?